Are you sick of putting in offer after offer after offer after weekends and weekends of going to see homes? It makes sense of why there's super high demand and really low inventory that you're not winning that bid. Then that means that new construction might be the route that you should be going. I'm Katie, the real estate gal in Denver, Metro, Colorado. I'm a licensed realtor in this state, so I can help with the buying process, the selling process, or chatting about new construction. We're going to be covering 4 different reasons on why it might be a great route to go, the new construction route. The first one is customization. Depending on the builder, you might be able to completely design your home down to the inch. That's amazing. You can design the kitchen layout, how the bedrooms are configured. What a great feeling to know that you go into your home every single day. You're like, you know what? I made this. I created this. It's pretty badass. The second reason is no renovations for quite some time. If you're the one that designed it, then there's no need to tear out this wall, replace this carpet. You're going to have the most up-to-date materials, colors, and the layout that you desire. The third reason is builder warranties. That is something that you need to read in the fine print to make sure if there's anything that's going wrong with the different aspects of the home that you let the builder know before that warranty expires. It could be 1 year, it could be 2 years, but keep a running list over the course of living in your new home for the next year. Keep a running list of things that you want the builder to change and submit those to the builder prior to that expiration date. That fourth thing is that new home smell. No one else has lived in that home, so there's not going to be a kind of a funky smell from the carpet or that cabinet that squeaks because it was probably overused. You're the first person that's going to be in that home for quite some time. Love that new car smell, new home smell, new carpet smell. I'm Katie, the real estate gal in Denver, Metro, Colorado. Please like, subscribe, and follow. I will be doing more videos on new construction, the process, and expectations. So if you subscribe, you'll get a notification when I post my next video, but I will be posting every single Wednesday. Also, if you have any questions, feedback, need any advice, please feel free to send me a message. All of my contact information is online. Stay tuned for next week on more new construction.